today we'll be playing an old game that I found on Roblox. Fun fact, I actually, when I first joined Roblox. Anyways, so this game is called Jigsaw's Revenge. Okay, let's join the server. Wait, okay, I don't care how it's made by you. Part 1. Next, we'll be trying part 2. Isaac, I'm recording, and I'm playing Jigsaw's Revenge. Please just get away. Please, don't be silent. Just be silent. Anyways, guys, I was not talking to you guys. I was talking to my little brother. Anyways, since people I will have to play part 2. I will do part 1 next, if there's enough people. In a week, probably. It's actually scary. Like, who the heck would want to have this on their neck? Be silent, Isaac. No, you're literally throwing stuff. Anyways, be silent. Anyways, someone left. Isaac, stop! Stop it! Just get in the other room and do it. Anyways, stop! Anyways, guys, whenever I say stop, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking. Oh, fine. Oh no. I've mastered the physics of mobile. T4. Where are we going? Oh my god. Oh, help. I think I'm gonna die. I know it. I'm going to die quickly. I'm so bad at this game that I die immediately after it starts. Look at my sharp teeth, you monstrosity. In order to stop the sign, you'll have to unlock the safe using 36 keys. Oh, that's a lot of keys! Hopefully we'll have only 2 minutes before this. Here's the door. Unless, of course. Thanks. Use here. Go here. Go here. Go here. Fine. I'm not really that much of a stan of doors. I just like doors because it has like a lot of realistic things, which is cool. And seeing monsters that are so creepy that if you see one, you'll get literally killed, slapped in the face. Why can't I pick these up? Finally. Bobak. The game key. I wonder where I got that key from, but 10, 9, 8, 7. No! Jump scare warning, I think. Oh, there was no jump scare. But sorry, guys, if you were scared. Remember to like the video and subscribe if you made it this far. I got this badge. If you wanna, you guys could see my Robux. I accidentally had the urge to spend a lot of Robux. This year I'm turning 8. This month I'm turning 8. Graffiti hat. Firefox. This is what the Firefox logo should look like. A fox being lit on fire. Do you guys see the difference between the stylish aviators and Casey's shades? They're both the same, but they have a difference. Scratch. Anyways. Bye guys, and see you next episode. Bye.